Okay, so we did a bit of weathering last time, but we've come across another problem with something else. Now, now and again on the train loco you'll find you will get traction tyres for the rubber wheel, rubber tyres for the wheels. Now, if we focus there, if we focus there we go. You can see that now and again, instead of a solid wheel, there's also a wheel with an edge on it instead of a flat wheel. And that's where rubber traction tyres usually go. Now, if they go there, the problem is if they dry out and wear out, and you know, it does happen where they start slipping, and next thing you know, you've torn the tyre, so that's no good. Now, spare parts from Micro-Ace are non-existent, as far as I know. Cardo and Tomix are not so bad, but for ease of use, we use this Superstar Bullfrog Snot. It's brilliant stuff. I'll open this up quickly. Good thing I didn't. There we go. It's pretty much green. It's literally as it says. It's green. Really weird. Now the thing is, that's a solid green. That's a green you can't see through. And when it dries, it goes clear. It's really, really weird. However, what it does is you can apply it, and it literally does the job of the traction tyre. So therefore, you don't need to buy new tyres. So where do you find the stuff, you ask? Well, I had to look on eBay. It's actually quite tricky. It's on eBay. The shops in America will sell it, but it's quite a pricey product. It's like $40 for that little 1FL OZ. I don't know what that is, 1 ounce, I guess. $40, and then you got to contend with bloody postage prices of American eBay. God help you. Okay, so I'm going to stop there, and then I'll tear this apart and get this stuff open. Alright, so I didn't need to pull the whole thing apart. I just pulled this bit on the microwave. The microwave there does that, obviously, so that's okay. So there we are, we have the bogie there. Now we're only concentrating on this axle here. It's the only one that needs the traction, so these can go over here. We're not using those. So we get the stuff. Yeah, popsicle, preferably one of that stuff already. I'd already done one of these locos last night. So you get your stuff. You just want to, well, first of all, identify the correct wheel you're going to stick the stuff on. And you just smooth. Try and be as smooth as you can. Put plenty on. Because what you'll find you'll end up doing is you're going to clean it up with a wheel cleaner. Like like it's a device that you put on your track. It's got wire brushes on it, and it cleans all your wheels up with dirt. That's literally all that is to it. That's all there is. Just smooth it off while it's still in its ultimately wet stage. So this stuff goes off pretty quick. Well, reasonably quick. So it's already going off. Actually, just realised it's taken stuff off. We need to reapply. Yes. Well, reasonably well, actually. That's fine. A bit there. Right, so you leave that to go off overnight, and what ends up happening is, grab the one I did yesterday. What ends up happening is overnight it'll, or even very shortly after, it'll dry clear. As you can see there, it dries clear. That's not very smooth application, but what's happened there is I've found I've had a couple of lumps in it. That's made it run very horribly. So therefore I had to re-clean it, and it's smoothed out, and it's made a bit of a mess under it, but it still works. It's good. So that's how you do new traction tyres without buying any.